Stop for a moment and think. Have you ever felt that something is wrong in your life, but you cannot explain why? Like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to go your way, and your heart feels heavy. That feeling is not random. Maybe Allah is trying to send you a message, not out of anger, but out of love. He wants you to pause, reflect, and turn your heart back to Him. Life can be overwhelming. You pray, you work hard, you try to do good, yet difficulties keep coming. You start asking yourself, why is this happening to me? Has Allah turned away from me? These thoughts can be painful, but they are not the end. They are reminders. Every struggle, every disappointment, every mistake is an opportunity to grow closer to Allah. His mercy is always near, even when it feels far. Think about your daily blessings. A smile from a stranger, a quiet moment of peace, food on your table, a breath of fresh air. These may seem small, but they are signs of Allah's love. Even when your heart feels heavy with guilt or regret, Allah sees your effort, your sincerity, your intention. He does not reject you. He waits for your return with open arms, ready to forgive and guide you. Sometimes, we feel distant from Allah. Sometimes, we feel lost. But distance does not mean abandonment, and being lost does not mean hopelessness. Every tear you shed, every regret you carry, every mistake you remember is noticed. Allah's guidance is gentle. He does not push away hearts that are willing to seek Him. His anger is not punishment. It is a signal to reflect, to realign your steps, and to grow spiritually. It is normal to feel guilty when you do something wrong. But guilt is not meant to break you. It is meant to guide you back. Speak honestly to Allah. Ask for forgiveness. Make one sincere prayer. Take one small action today to reconnect. Even the smallest effort softens your heart and draws His mercy closer. No action is too small when it is sincere. Life teaches patience, trust, and hope. Every struggle can be a lesson if you let it. Feeling distant is not failure. Feeling lost is not the end. These are chances to open your heart, reflect, and rebuild your connection with Allah. Keep moving forward with sincerity, love, and trust. Focus on the small steps, a sincere prayer, a kind action, a moment of reflection. Remember, Allah does not measure your mistakes against your potential. He measures your intention, your effort, and your willingness to return. No matter how far you feel, His mercy is always closer than you think. You are never too late. You are never alone. Take a deep breath now. Close your eyes for a moment and speak to Allah from your heart. Ask for guidance. Ask for strength. Ask for forgiveness. Let yourself feel hope again. Let your heart remember that Allah's love is constant and His mercy never ends. If this message touched you, share it with someone who needs hope today. Like and subscribe to remind yourself and others that, no matter what you are going through, Allah's mercy is always near, and your heart can always find peace.